Hello students, I hope you are doing well and enjoying this fabulous spring break. We are going to have our ASL review day number 7, which I'm going to sign for you, and you have the rest of the spring break to complete it. I will put the document also, as I know some of you ran out of class, you are very excited to be in spring break and left your papers behind. So that's okay, I totally understand. So I'm going to attach the document to the bottom of this email down below and just print it out, fill it out, and bring it in our next class period that we do have class. So without further ado, we will get started. I will tell you the group. I will sign it for you once, and then I will move on and tell you that this is the number 1, sign, number 2, sign, and then you feel free to pause wherever you need to between the first and second one, at the end, in the beginning. So take your time and have fun. So for our first one, it's always our ABCs. Your first letter, your second letter, I notice it's kind of busy over here. I'm sorry. So I'm going to probably sign a lot of the one-handed ones. I'll sign it left-handed. So it's over here, so you could probably see it a little better. I didn't think of that till now. So let me go ahead and redo them just in case I was a little unclear. So your first letter, whoops, not normally doing left hand. And then your second letter was, there you go. That's better. Now for 1 through 100, again, it's any number between that and the, between 1 and 100. Here we go. Your first number, your second number. Remember our way of remembering this and to be smart. Moving on to our home section. We normally keep things in order. So you can follow along. We're kind of going from here, bouncing across, going back under, bouncing across, just to follow along. Your home section, number 1. Your home section, number 2. Family section, time for the family section. And the first one, it's a little unclear, but that's what we're doing. Right up here. Go. And your second one for the family section. Again, don't worry about spelling. It's not a problem. Do your best. On to our animal section. Animal section. Nice, remember how to do it left. There you go. There it is. Your second one for your animal section. Moving to school section. First one. Remember you're coming up. Yep. And your second one for school section. Days of the week. First one. And your second one. Let's put this way so you can see it. Here you go. It's difficult on the video. Colors. Again, moving right along. We have our first color. There we go. And your second color. Or some people would do it without it. Time for feelings. How are you feeling? The first one, I'm going to have to do it a little bit higher than where it is. There you go. That would be at the stomach. And your second one for feelings. There you go. Foods section. We'll do it a couple times. And the second one, practical words. We're doing very well. Here we go. Your first one. And your second one. Time for questions. Now, I will sign both of the ones we do in here. There are 3, but most of the time it's this one. There it is, that one. And then that one. So that's your first question word. Your second question word. Good. Turn your paper over. Moving right along. Holidays. Here we have good. And the next one again at the stomach. Go. Transportation. How you are all going on your wonderful family vacations. The first one. And the second one. Time for clothing. Your first one. Hopefully that's kind of clear. And your second one. 4. Good. Senses. Because during the holidays, you always need to use your senses. Senses was number 1. Number 2. Now the next 4 groups has 3 blocks, you could see, because those are our newer ones. So for our health and body section, we have the second one. Good. And our third one. Nature, weather, and season. Number 1. One more time. Your second one. Oops, lefty. There you go. You can see it. And then your third one. Sports and hobbies. Your first sport or hobby. Okay. Your second sport or hobby. And your third sport or hobby. On to the last section. We're almost done. Yay. Musical instruments. Number 1. Number 2. Or I guess this way. We're doing it lefty, but never mind. And the third one. 4. All right. Yay! Congratulations. All right. So again, take your time. Watch this as many times as you need to. Also, if you could do this individually, not trying to do it with anyone else, do it on your own since this is an exam. But do have fun. It is a lot of fun, and it's okay if you don't get a perfect page. It's fine. You're all doing very well, and I'm very proud of you. Have a wonderful spring break, and I will see you very shortly. Bye-bye.